Have you ever seen a leak that feels a little too perfect? Because that's exactly what's happening with the Insta360 Luna right now. At first, it looked like someone casually spotted the device in a store, but the more details come out, the more this starts to feel intentional. In this video, we're breaking down what's really going on, why this might not be a leak at all, and what it tells us about Insta360's strategy. And trust me, this changes how you should look at Luna completely. So here's the situation. That viral clip making the rounds was not some random customer moment. It was filmed inside an official Insta360 store in Shenzhen, and the person holding the device was most likely part of a promotional setup. You know what's funny? Brands do this all the time. They bring in creators or models for controlled demos, especially when a product is close to launch. So no, that wasn't a store employee casually showing off unreleased hardware. That was a planned preview. And once you realize that, everything starts to click. Now this is where it gets interesting. If this was intentional, then Insta360 is basically soft launching Luna without actually announcing it. Think of it like a movie teaser. You show just enough to build curiosity, but not enough to give everything away. And in my experience, companies only do this when they are very close to release. They want people talking, speculating, debating, and clearly, it's working. Because right now, Luna is one of the most talked about cameras in its category without even being officially revealed. Alright, so let's talk about the device itself. Even though the hardware is partially hidden, the footage still confirms a few key things. First, the dual camera setup. We are looking at a wide lens paired with a telephoto lens, likely offering around 3 times optical zoom. That alone is a big deal for a pocket gimbal-style camera. It suggests better versatility, more cinematic shots, and improved depth compared to typical small sensor setups. In simple terms, this could push image quality much closer to what creators actually want from a compact system. But here's where I'm still not fully convinced: the modular design. Earlier leaks hinted at something more flexible, maybe even swappable components, but in this footage, we don't really see that being highlighted at all. And you know what's funny? If modularity was the main selling point, Insta360 would probably show it front and center. So either they are saving that reveal for later, or the final design is very different from early prototypes. And honestly, until we see it in action, I'd take that cart with a bit of caution. So what does all this add up to? Timing. Everything points toward a launch window in early 2026, likely around March or April. China first, then a global rollout. And this kind of controlled exposure fits perfectly into that timeline. This is usually the phase right before official announcements, where brands slowly build hype without committing to full details. So what do we know? This isn't just another random leak. This feels like the beginning of a carefully planned rollout. And if Luna delivers on even half of what's being hinted at, the pocket camera space is about to get very competitive. So what do you think? Is this smart marketing or just confusing hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next.